As a managed service provider, you support many companies, and every day you fight against a flood of emails to check backups. Hundreds of messages that need to be assessed. Is the backup complete? Were there any errors? A manual process that wastes time and is prone to overlooking problems. If a single email fails, it could mean that a backup is missing without you noticing. But there is a solution that not only makes your work easier, but revolutionizes it. Backup Eagle Cloud. Our software takes the burden off you. No more sifting through emails. All backup status messages flow directly into a clear dashboard, and you can see faulty or missing backups at a glance. Integrate Backup Eagle Cloud into your workflow. Stay informed about every irregularity via tickets. This way, you can avoid data loss and increase your customers' trust in you efficiently and reliably. Your requirements are more complex? No problem. Contact us about the capabilities of Backup Eagle Enterprise. Backup Eagle, backup monitoring made easy. Backup Eagle is the future of backup monitoring.